Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to learn HTML. HTML is standing for Hypertext Markup Language, and basically what it is the I don't know how to call it, the text you are you're displaying on your page. I mean, like, there's different things to make a website with. There's also called CSS. I don't know what the short thing of CSS is. I don't remember. But basically, what I'm going to teach you guys today is just the basics. So let's get started. But first, before you are getting started, you have to have a program you can code in. You can use the normal Notepad, but I'm using the Notepad++. You can go on Google and Google it with just typing Notepad++. It's basically very easy to find. I'm really sorry for my English. I'm not so good at it. But so first you're gonna have some signs, and it's called, this is a opening sign and this is a closing sign. So first of all, I'm going to just type this doc type HTML. It says that now we are coding a website on HTML5. So basically, now you have to make the, I'm just gonna press tab to move a little forward so it looks much better and you can understand me much better. But first of all, I will be going to make a simple sentence. It's called a paragraph. There's also a simple sentence you can use. It's called a heading, but there's a different types of these. But basically what I'm going to create now is a paragraph, and it's really simple to make. So first of all, you're going to make an opening sign here. You want to make a type P. You want to make a closing sign. But you also need, this is just the opener. But now you're just going to type the text you want in here. And you can make the sign again. You can type P. Oh, I'm sorry. You're gonna make this sign. You're gonna type P and this sign. Basically, why you're not going to make this, I don't really understand, but normal, if you're coding websites, you're always gonna need a closing and opening tag, and it's always gonna have these signs and this I don't know what it's called, a cross line or I don't know. But oh shit, I forgot. You also need the HTML opener. It says now we are actually coding the HTML. And first of all, I made a really big mistake right now. You're actually gonna make a header. It's called head, but in the head you can't, if you're coding in head, you can't see this things you're coding on your screen, on your web page. It's only some other stuff there up there, but I'm not going to explain you that now because this is just the basics. But what you're going to create up here is the title. A title is like, I'm going to show you. You should open. The title is like the thing you have up here. Do searches. I can also type do searches, but I'm not going to type that. And I'm gonna make a closing tag, as I said before, and I'm going to type welcome. No, I'm just going to type tutorial 1 basics. Okay. Now we have made the simple title, and we are going to make the body opening tag. head body closing tag. In the body you're going to type everything you want to make on your website. You're going to code everything that you're going to see on your screen. So basically what I'm going to make now is just I'm going to sec. I'm just going to make it look a lot better, and I'm going to delete these lines. I'm going to make a simple paragraph as I showed you before, and here's always the text you want to show. And in this case I'm going to make a sentence, and I'm just going to type welcome. No, I'm just going to type this is a paragraph. Okay, now you easily created a paragraph, and as you can see now, I'm just going to save this as a website, and I'm going to call it website, and you have to make this dot here and call it HTML so it knows that you're creating a website. So basically now when you have saved it, you're just going to click here and it should open it. And as you can see, what I've been coding is just the title up here. As you can see, I've made my title here and my paragraph here. So as you can see, this is the body, basically body. This is body everything here, and this is the title, the head. You can't see things that you're making in the head, but you're using it to a lot of different stuff. So okay, let's make another heading. A heading is also kind of a paragraph, but it have different type of what is called I think it called, yeah, it have a different size of text. So as you can see, one is the biggest text you can get, biggest sentence, the biggest text, and 6 is the smallest. So I'm just gonna make the one that is the middle of all these, and gonna make the opening tag and the closing tag. I'm gonna type this is a heading number 3. I'm just going to save it up here. As you can see, it's on Danish, but hopefully you will understand. Okay, so now I basically saved it, and it's called a heading 3. Okay, let's make every heading we can. You guys can just skip this if you don't wanna watch it. This is a heading 1. Okay, I think we only making one more, or else it will take too much time. This is a heading 2, closing tag, and now basically we created it. As you can see now, we have all these here, but now we want to make a bigger paragraph, but I'm going to show you here a sentence I'm going to make. I'm just gonna make our paragraph longer, or let's call it bigger, and I'm going to say, let's see if we can move it down here. This is a paragraph. Let's move it back here. This is a paragraph. This is a paragraph on the second line, and as you can see now, it should be under this line, but it won't. It will be next to this one. So as you can see, when I'm saving now, I'm going to reload this page. It's just going to say this is a paragraph. This is a paragraph on the second line, but it's not over here. It's only in the code. So what you're going to need is you're going to make a tag, but in this tag there's nothing. There's no closing tag. There's only 2 commandos, or what I'm going to call it, you don't need a closing tag on. There's a BR and a HR. BR is break line, as if you can understand me when I'm saving now, I made this between these two, and as you can see now, it should be on the second line. There's also a HR, I can use it here, HR, we should save it, and it should work like this. This is a paragraph, and a big line that fill all the website, and this is a second line. But basically what I'm going to make is just a BR, this is a paragraph, this is the second, this is the second paragraph. And now we basically made a really short understanding on of HTML. I hope you could understand me and understand my English. If you have any problems of understanding this, you can just comment or leave a like or dislike. Hopefully you will leave a like and subscribe to me. I think my English will be better in the time I make these videos. But yeah, see you next time.